More choices, yet fewer sales. It's been a slow summer. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. There are more than 500 more homes on the market during August compared with this time last year. Prices were down for the third month in a row. However, they were still up compared with last August. Sales continue to drop. They were down for the second month in a row and down from last August. Let's get local, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, mixed. More choices for buyers in Castro Valley, Fremont, Hayward. Oakland down almost 20%. Prices were also mixed. Fremont at 1.685, down more than 10%. Hayward 940, up 8%. Sales were mostly down. Hayward 55 sold, San Leandro 26. Fremont is an exception, 97 sold, up 35%, and Albany way up too. West Contra Costa County is up next. More homes on the market. Hercules, Pinole, Richmond, San Pablo, all up. Prices were mixed. El Cerrito at 1.4, up more than 40%. Pinole 670, down more than 10%. Sales down. El Cerrito and Hercules both down almost 50%. Let's look at Central Contra Costa County. More homes for sale almost everywhere. Concord 133, Martinez 65. Walnut Creek was the exception, down 5%. Prices up slightly everywhere. Clayton and Pleasant Hill more than $1 million, Walnut Creek 1.55. Sales were down almost everywhere. Martinez and Pleasant Hill both dropped more than 20%. Walnut Creek 47, up a bit compared with last August. Next up, La Miranda. More homes on the market. Moraga had 23, up more than 40%. Prices mixed. Moraga and Orinda both in the 1.5 range and both down about 15%. Sales were mixed with Moraga and Orinda both down. Let's look at the Tri-Valley. More homes for sale almost everywhere. Dublin had 49, more than double compared to last August. Livermore up. Pleasanton and San Ramon both up almost 25%. Prices were mostly up between 2 to 5%. Livermore stands out. 1.19 down 5%. Sales were mostly down. Danville dropped more than 20%. Pleasanton and San Ramon both down. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, mostly way up. Brentwood, more than 200 homes on the market. Prices down everywhere. Oakley, 630, down almost 15%. Sales mostly down. Antioch, 76 sold, down almost 30%. Brentwood, 50, down 25%. Last thoughts. There are almost 200 more pending sales during August compared to this time last year. And a home is on the market an average of 30 days. Buyers are out there, they're just taking their time. We'll see you next month.